Hello, my name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
And that's Spice Colin behind the camera. And this is a totally new product for this season. This is a fan diffuser. You know, like we have the ones that plug into the wall and it's a fan and it has little LED lights that shine down, or you can get one without lights. And we have the little round ones that go in the car and blow through the pods. Well, guess what? They've stepped it up. These are ceramic, but they're still fans. See the fan? I can see you. It comes with the cord, and you plug this into the USB. Now, it's not something you charge up. There's no battery in here to maintain or screw around with. You just plug it in, and it's either on if it's plugged in, or if it's unplugged, it's off. Now, the pods go inside here. You can put one pod if you want, or you can put two pods. But then this little fan circulates and blows air up through those, so you get like instantaneous fragrance. There's no wax to spill. There's no mess. It's wonderful. This is how you get them out. Bloop, just like that. So I love this. We have one in the catalog that I will be showing you. We actually have two in the catalog that are neutral, but this is a seasonal one and it just came yesterday and I'm showing it to you because I absolutely love it. It doesn't have light. It is just fragrance. So where would you use something like this? This can be on a shelf where there's not a whole bunch of clearance. You know, you have to have enough to have the fan circulating, but unlike a wax melt, you know, you don't want to have that too close with the lid on top, but this you could tuck into smaller spaces. I'd like to know where you would do one of these tabletop fans. You could have fragrance in a bedroom without any light. It's just totally the greatest. So I have a Facebook page called Spice Dawn Tips to Share. You might want to go there from time to time. But this is one of our new tabletop fan fragrance diffusers. Not diffuser like with oil, but with pods. So how cool is that? Bye.